February 9th, 2013. I'm George Favaren. Thanks for making the left turn. This is the Las Vegas Strip. Las Vegas Boulevard. We have the Bellagio, Caesar's Palace, and in the distance, the Mirage. Planet Hollywood, Cosmopolitan, the walkways over Las Vegas Boulevard. And now it's Sunday, February 10th. Today is Chinese New Year Day. 2013 is the year of the snake, and I've been enjoying the festivities and the decorations throughout on the Las Vegas Strip. And I've thought about all the different things that the hotels and casinos offer visitors to Las Vegas. I enjoyed an amazingly delicious brunch at the Bellagio Hotel today. And I've also today at the Venetian had a very rejuvenating oxygen aromatherapy session and a massage. I've gambled a little bit, nothing to report there, no big winnings. Las Vegas has changed over the years. As you look back over the years, the history of the Strip. And I have to say that one thing that I have seen just in the past 24 hours is what an amazing spectacle and all-encompassing experience I've had here. And it's all here. Tonight I'll be seeing Carrot Top at the Luxor. And I'll have film of that. I'm staying at the Stratosphere Hotel, further up the Strip. And I have to say, I really admire the interior design and architecture of the Wynn and Encore. Absolutely amazing. And no matter what you want to eat, it's available. You just have to be willing to pay for it. It's the night of Sunday, February 10th, and I'm at the Luxor. I'll be seeing Carrot Top, and I think I'll have a really great time. He's a really funny comedian. To the left is Mandalay Bay. And to the right, Excalibur. And also along the Las Vegas Strip, the MGM Grand, and the Tropicana. It's Monday, February 11th. I visited Hoover Dam. Quite an amazing monument to progress. Quite inspirational. And now here I am in Red Rock Canyon, west of Las Vegas, on the Lost Creek Trail, hiking. The views are magnificent. And they're stunning. And I'm in solitude. It's Tuesday, February 12th, and it's morning in Arizona. I got on the Highway 93, and I stopped off at the scenic overlook. I'm on my way to Kingman, Arizona, and then I'm going to get my kicks on Route 66, and then I'll be heading towards Los Angeles, and ultimately Hermosa Beach on the Pacific Ocean, or actually within blocks of the Pacific Ocean. I'm staying at a Quality Inn. And then I'll be enjoying the coast and the best of Southern California. America's a vast country. I've learned that over the years in my travels. There's some remarkable landscape, and sometimes it's hard to remember that in this vast country, with all the suburban and urbanization, that there are still some incredibly desolate areas in our country. Now it's the evening of February 12th, and I've arrived in Los Angeles. I'm on the hill where the Griffith Park Observatory is, and in the distance, downtown Los Angeles and the surrounding LA metropolitan area. It's February 13th, and it's morning in Hermosa Beach, California. Shortly after 7 a.m., and I'm on the Hermosa Beach Pier. The last time I came to California was in 2004, and the first place I went to upon landing was the beach here, and what quite an experience it was. Even swam later in the week. I have a lot planned for today. I'm going further south, down towards Newport Beach and Laguna Beach, possibly points further south. Then I'm going to head back up north, up the Interstate 405 to Beverly Hills, check out the Hollywood Hills, Mulholland Drive, go out Sunset Boulevard, who knows where else. It's amazing the beauty I've experienced on this trip. It's even more beautiful than any other trip that I've taken, probably since Europe. It's been a great week, and still I've got another almost 2 days. It's the evening of February 13th, and I've had quite a day. Went down to Newport Beach, Laguna Beach, and then went all the way up I-5 and went to Hollywood and Highland and Beverly Hills and cut back through Santa Monica, and here I am now back at Hermosa Beach Pier. Tomorrow's my last day on my trip. It's February 14th, Valentine's Day, 2013. And it's morning in Santa Barbara. I'm at the old mission of Santa Barbara. There's a lot of history in Southern California. It's been an amazing journey. I've seen Las Vegas, the desert, Los Angeles, the Pacific Coast, and now here I am in beautiful Santa Barbara. And so, as this journey draws to a close, I'm once again reminded that California's just one beautiful, stunning, amazing place. And if I could pick another state to live in, it would be California. So back to Florida, and I'll go ahead and roll some more pictures, and I hope you've enjoyed Out West, the movie. Take it easy. See you later.